Hey, want to learn affiliate marketing? Of course you do. It's not only the easiest way to get started earning money online, it's also the fastest, as there are no products to create and no customer support to deal with. You just sign up for some affiliate programs online that I'll show you in this course, and off you go to start promoting your affiliate links to earn some easy commissions online. But wait a minute, couldn't I just learn this stuff from YouTube? Hardly unlikely. Sure, you can find videos on YouTube about affiliate marketing, but about is the key word to pay attention to here. You see, although there are videos about affiliate marketing there, they only tell you about affiliate marketing and how they are making money with affiliate marketing. But they don't actually show you how they are doing it. They don't show you their system. They just show you their earning screenshots and say, this is what I'm doing. So how can you learn from that? Quite frankly, you can't. So why should you listen to me? Because I'm someone that is actually doing it. Hi, I'm Ronnie Rokk Smith and I've been doing affiliate marketing for several years now. Here's some of my screenshots of my affiliate earnings. So as you can see, I really do this stuff. But unlike the others on YouTube, I'll show you my exact system, not just tell you about it. I'll show you step by step my exact system of making affiliate commissions online in my course called Affiliate Marketing for Beginners, Setting Up Cash Pillars. In this course, you will not only learn about all the platforms I use, you'll also learn my exact step-by-step system I use to earn all the commissions. You'll learn about how to find and pick the right products, how to get approved for those products, how to promote those products, how to use bonuses to entice visitors to use your links instead of others, how to create your own custom bonuses, and how to put all of this together in a system that you can use time and time again. So what are you waiting for? Sign up for Affiliate Marketing for Beginners, Setting Up Cash Pillars today. And I'll see you inside the training there.